Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add local files to Spotify. Let's start. Open up the web browser. Here search Spotify App Help. Click to open the App Help site. Go into Features. Then scroll down to Local Files. You can see the process of iOS. In order to add local files to Spotify, you need to follow these steps. First, tap Home, then tap on Settings. Scroll down to Local Files. Switch Show Audio Files from this device. Go to your library. The Local Files folder should now appear in the playlist. Pick the source of the file for how to add audio to the Spotify folder on your device. These are the steps you have to follow. Then open up the Spotify app. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. And explain me how we're solving new problems every day.